Now, this is how you can use the Apple Watch Cellular without the iPhone, as this is like the main point of having a cellular Apple Watch, to not be tied to your phone and be independent. So at first, you need to set up the eSIM for your Apple Watch specifically. So on your iPhone, you need to head over to the Watch app, and in there, you need to find the cellular section. So essentially, you can just find it right there. It should be easy to be like seen right there, and you should be able to just start it up directly there. If you cannot see it, it is possible that your Apple Watch simply doesn't have cellular capability, so it might be this like case for you, right? So you need to also ensure that your Apple Watch is cellular and that you can actually use it. So then you need to just add that SIM card, but you also need to make sure that your carrier allows you to use that SIM card independently from your iPhone, because some carriers allow the Apple Watch to work without the phone, but others require your iPhone to be ready and nearby. So you need to also just ask your carrier about it. But then when you do and set it up, you essentially just can leave your phone behind. And on the Apple Watch in the control center, you always have the toggle for the cellular data. So you can see there what type of connection you currently have, and there you can easily switch back and forth. So even if you're close to your home Wi-Fi, you can use Wi-Fi for it, but still the cellular data has a specific toggle on the Apple Watch control center. So this is how you can start it, and you can access the internet, you can check your mails, and all of your notifications are going to be delivered. So this is how you can use it without the iPhone. As I said, important things to ensure is that your Apple Watch supports cellular, because not all of them do, and also that you have a proper separate SIM card just for the Apple Watch. Ask your carrier specifically about your use case so they can let you know about that. That's it for me. Hit the thumbs up if you managed to get it to work, subscribe, and I'll see you in the future video.